Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add Serum presets. First, ensure your downloaded presets are unzipped and ready. You'll need to navigate to Serum's preset folder within your system's VSD or plugin directory. This process is straightforward and ensures your new sounds are accessible. We'll cover the exact steps to place them correctly, making sure Serum can find and load them without any issues. Get ready to expand your sound library. Once you've located Serum's preset folder, the next step is simple. Open Serum in your DAW and click on the Menu tab at the top. From the drop-down options, select Show Serum Presets folder. This action will open the correct directory on your computer. Now, simply drag and drop your unzipped preset folders directly into this Presets directory. It's crucial to maintain the folder structure of your downloaded presets for proper organization. After moving your presets, it's a good idea to organize them into logical subfolders within the presets directory. This makes finding specific sounds much faster. Back in Serum, click the Menu tab again and select Rescan Folders on Disk to ensure the new presets appear. You can then browse your new sounds using Serum's internal browser. Remember to save any custom patches you create into your user folder for future use. To maximize your sound design workflow, always back up your custom Serum presets regularly. Many online communities offer fantastic free sound packs, so keep an eye out for those. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial understanding, there's a great resource that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for a link to that book, *The Simple Path to Wealth*, as well as other helpful deals and resources. Happy sound designing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.